In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Shopify payments. Whether you're looking to switch your payment processor or simply take a break from selling, deactivating Shopify payments can be a necessary step in managing your online store effectively. Let's dive into the process, ensuring a smooth transition for your business. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. You'll find yourself on the home page, a portal to the inner workings of your online empire. Here you'll want to focus on gaining access to your store's backend, where all the magic happens. To do this, locate and click on the Login button. This action is your first step towards making any changes to your store settings, including those related to payments. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This email should be the one you used to register your Shopify store, serving as a unique identifier for your business within the platform. Enter it carefully to avoid any hiccups in accessing your account. Following the email, the next screen will ask you to input your password. This password, combined with your email, forms the key to unlocking your Shopify dashboard. Take a moment to ensure you've entered everything correctly before hitting the Login button once again. A successful login will bring you to the heart of your store's operations. Now, navigate your way to the My Store Home section from the dashboard. This area provides an overview of your store's activity and, most importantly, access to the various sections where adjustments can be made. Here, your focus will be on the settings of your store, so look for the Settings option, which usually appears as a gear icon, and click on it. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options related to your store's operation. From shipping to taxes, Shopify offers comprehensive control over your e-commerce environment. What you're looking for, however, is the Payments option. This is where all settings related to the payment processors, including Shopify payments, are housed. Go ahead and click on Payments to proceed. Upon selecting Payments, you'll be taken to a screen that outlines all the payment gateways your store is currently using. Shopify Payments is usually set up as the default payment gateway, but it's here that you can manage it or even choose to deactivate it. The exact process for deactivating may vary slightly depending on your specific setup and whether you have any outstanding balances or obligations under Shopify payments. However, the interface is designed to guide you through the necessary steps to pause or stop Shopify payments effectively. By following the steps outlined, you're ensuring a careful approach to modifying payment settings on your Shopify store. Remember, taking the time to accurately navigate and understand these settings prevents any unintended disruptions to your store's operation. Whether you're transitioning to a new payment gateway or pausing your online sales, knowledge of your platform's capabilities empowers you to maintain control over your e-commerce journey. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to stop Shopify payments. Each step in this process is crucial for the proper management and operation of your online store. Deactivating Shopify payments is a significant action, and understanding the implications for your business is essential. Whether it's for a short-term adjustment or a long-term strategy shift, managing your payment settings adeptly ensures you can adapt to the changing needs of your business. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're fine-tuning your shop for better performance, taking a break, or shifting gears entirely, knowing how to manage your payment processing is key to navigating the e-commerce landscape. Remember, each step you take in understanding and leveraging the tools at your disposal strengthens your capacity to build a resilient and responsive online business. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep growing your store with confidence and insight.